In this section, we'll discuss selection in the category list and the search functionality. When I initially built this code, I had some issues with the search feature in the overlay toolbar, which have since been resolved. I ended up implementing this code manually instead of using the built-in search toolbar API. I think it's still a good exercise and helps understand how these things work, so I didn't change the code back to search toolbar despite the fact that it should work now. To enable search, I started with this method that might look intimidating, but it's really quite simple. This is the command representing search, which we use instead of the built-in command. Search has two modes. In one of them, the title is a regular label title, and in the other, the title is a text field where we are searching. When we press the search button, we effectively toggle between these two. We do several big things here. First, we create the new text field representing the search text and give it the hint search. Then we style everything to have the title UI ID. We then bind a listener to the text field to call the OnSearch method when a user types into the text field, and then open the virtual keyboard when we invoke the start editing method. The OnSearch method is actually pretty simple. If search is null, we just show all the entries and move on. If search contains a value, we loop over the dish entries and hide the ones that don't have the search value within. Notice that we do this by looking at the dish object stored within the client properties in advance. This makes the search logic simpler. When a user flips through the category list, we filter the dishes using a method that is almost identical to the search method. Getting an app all the way to the finish line is challenging, but don't let perfectionism stop you. You need to focus on what's important about the app and get moving. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this educational.